Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to upgrade JupyterLab. Okay, so let's get started. We'll click on the Windows key, type CMD. Okay, now over here, before upgrading or updating the JupyterLab software or the library, first we'll check the current version of it. So you need to type the command Jupyter space lab hyphen hyphen version. Okay, and hit enter. So right now its install is 4.4.10. Okay, now we are going to upgrade this. To do that, you need to type the command pip pip install space hyphen hyphen upgrade space Jupyter lab. Okay, and press enter. This will download the latest package and it is going to install it. For me, it is already showing requirement already satisfied. Okay, so we'll check the latest version which is installed. You can type again the code Jupyter lab space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, it's the same. So I'm already having the updated version, but this way you can update your Jupyter lab to the latest version. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.